Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we got a chance to review this company called Vogmask.com, and they make some extraordinary masks. You can get them fairly inexpensive in a variety of different variations and colors. They've got microfiber, organics, no valves if you don't want a valve in them. They're pretty amazing. They've got printed microfiber outer layers, N95, conforming particle filtering media, carbon filter, and one exhalation valve for facilitating exit of moisture and heat from the exterior mask. On the organic ones that they have, they've got those in a variety of different colors and works pretty good. And then, of course, you can have ones with no valve if you don't like the valve. They work pretty good. We've actually been using during the coronavirus experience, which is not fun, but the masks have been working really well for us, do a great job, and have kept us COVID free. We wear them, of course, when we go out and all that good stuff. Make sure that you get a size probably bigger than what you think you would do. I had a little trouble fitting it to my face. I kind of needed an extra large as opposed to a large. But other than that, they're very comfortable to wear, and they feel good, and I highly recommend them. Go to Vogmask.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Be sure to subscribe to the show and hit that bell notification for all our YouTube videos. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.